origins of frozen desserts can be traced back to ancient civilizations such as the Greeks, Romans, and Jews, who indulged in chilled wines and juices as a refreshing treat during the sweltering summer months. Over time, this practice evolved into the creation of fruit, ices, and eventually, the concept of freezing milk and cream mixtures emerged. However, it wasn't until the 20th century, with the advent of the Industrial Revolution and advancements in technology such as electric power, steam power, and mechanical refrigeration, that ice cream became readily available to the common households. This technological revolution transformed the ice cream market, propelling it to astronomical sizes. In fact, in just the United States, the ice cream market reached an estimated market size of a staggering $81.8 billion as of 2024. Intrigued? Hang tight until the end of this video to uncover the scoop on the key differences between gelato and ice cream. Ever wondered how that creamy scoop of goodness ends up in your cone? Well, the magical journey of ice cream begins with the arrival of fresh cream, delivered in refrigerated trucks straight to the factory's doorstep. Once there, it's stored in colossal refrigerated silos, maintaining a cool and constant temperature of 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Why? Because cream, being a dairy delight, is oh so sensitive to pesky bacteria. Keeping it chilled during transport and storage ensures its pristine freshness and top-notch quality. Now on to the mixing madness. Inside the factory, the cream meets its partners in crime: powdered skim milk and a cocktail of plant-based stabilizers and emulsifiers. Stabilizers swoop in to save the day, preventing pesky crystallization, while emulsifiers work their magic, bonding the mix with air during the whipping frenzy. But wait, there's more. We can't forget about our sweet companions, sugar and corn syrup, joining the party to add that irresistible sweetness. Once all the ingredients are gathered, it's time to make ice cream. For about 3 minutes, a high-speed mixer dances its way through the concoction, blending everything into a smooth and creamy dream. And just when you thought the fun was over, a pumping system swoops in to whisk the mixture away into specialized pasteurization machines, ensuring that every spoonful of ice cream is not only delicious but also perfectly safe to indulge in. This next machine is the heartbeat of the ice cream factory, the Mighty Heat Plate Exchanger. This consists of stainless steel plates, pressed together with precision and sealed tight with gaskets, creating a labyrinth of channels for our creamy concoction to flow through. These plates aren't just for show. They boast an expansive surface area, perfect for conducting a symphony of heat transfer during pasteurization. As our mixture eagerly rushes into one side of the plate heat exchanger, hot water or steam works its magic on the other side, transferring its fiery energy through the plates and elevating our mix to the desired pasteurization temperature. Next, the ice cream enters the tanks. Here, our mixture is cradled at a cozy 200 degrees Fahrenheit for a leisurely half-hour, effectively wiping out any unwanted bacteria and activating our trusty stabilizers. Next up, homogenization, a process that takes our mix to the next level of creamy bliss. The fat globules are broken apart under intense pressure to achieve that oh so smooth texture we all crave. This step is very important to our ice cream's success, preventing those fats from misbehaving during the freezing process. Next, our base mixture takes a well-deserved rest, aging gracefully for several hours to overnight in the cool embrace of refrigeration. This isn't just about chilling out. It's about allowing our flavors to mingle and our texture to find perfection. It's a waiting game, but trust us, the payoff is worth it. Now onto the coolest part of our ice cream journey, literally. Our base mixture takes a refreshing dip, cooling down to a chilly 39 degrees Fahrenheit. Why the chill, you ask? Well, chilling helps reduce freezing time and ensures a smooth texture. It's like a prelude to the frosty finale. Once properly chilled, our base mixture is ready to hit the stage. Or should we say, the ice cream machine. Behold, the continuous freezer, a marvel of modern manufacturing processes. Here, our mixture meets its icy fate as the machine freezes and churns simultaneously. It's a whirlwind of freezing and fluffing as air is whipped into the mixture, expanding its volume and creating a lighter-than-air texture. In fact, the volume of our ice cream can skyrocket by 60 to 100%, all thanks to the magic of air. This incorporation of air is essential for ensuring our ice cream is as soft and luscious as can be, slowing down the freezing process just enough to achieve that perfect scoop. Without our trusty air infusion, ice cream would be as hard as a rock, making it a real jawbreaker to eat. That's why the temperature inside the machine is set to a frosty 18 to 43 degrees Fahrenheit, keeping our concoction chilled exactly where it should be. Which brings us to that question at the beginning on how ice cream and gelato are different. Gelato is made predominantly of milk and little to no cream, minimizing the air needed to add into the mixture. Gelato is thicker and denser than ice cream, and also has 80% less fat without the cream and corn syrup added. Generally served in Italy and now around the world, gelato is a cuisine of its own and is highly regarded in its Italian culture. Now for the flavors, or do you like stopping at plain vanilla during the freezing process? We have the perfect opportunity to sprinkle in some extra excitement. Think chocolate chips, crunchy nuts, chunks of cookie dough, or bursts of fruity goodness. The possibilities are endless. These delectable additions are carefully introduced through specific openings in the machine, ensuring each scoop is bursting with flavor and texture. And now automatic filling machines. Stand ready, eagerly dropping pre-printed pint or half-gallon sized cardboard cartons into their designated holders. It's mass processing at its finest, as the cartons are swiftly filled with pre-measured amounts of our delectable ice cream at a jaw-dropping rate of 70 to 90 cartons per hour, with each carton receiving its lid and then gently niched onto the conveyor belt. As the cartons glide along the conveyor belt, they pass under the watchful eye of an inkjet, which expertly sprays an expiration date and production code onto each carton, ensuring freshness and traceability with every carton. The cartons then venture into the bundler, a heat tunnel that envelops each pint in a snug embrace of plastic shrink wrapping in preparation for its journey to stores worldwide. The last stop is the blast freezer, where our ice cream is treated to a rapid plunge into temperatures below 0 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a flash freeze, locking in texture, quality, and shelf life with every frosty blast. From there, it's off to the races. Our packaged delights are whisked away to supermarket freezers and ice cream shops, eagerly awaiting their moment in the spotlight, and ultimately, in the hearts and mouths of every one of us. If you're craving more sweet secrets, why not indulge in the mesmerizing process of how sugar is made in this next video?